So you've got a sinking suspicion in the back of your mind that your website isn't converting like it should. And I get it. Everybody feels that way. But here's the real problem. Your website is not built to sell stuff. It's built to look pretty. Nice templates, cool branding, all great. But here is the real problem. Your entire business relies on selling things, on making money, on making enough so that you can grow and profit and, sustain a business. Your website isn't helping you do that. In fact, it's actively hurting your chances of turning new visitors into paying customers. But there is hope for you and your website. Here are 3 things that your website needs in order to start converting visitors into customers like SamCart's top sellers. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder of SamCart, that cart logo on the back there. It's the #1 e-commerce platform for digital sellers. And more than 15,000 entrepreneurs have used our platform to sell $5 billion of their own digital products, services, and physical goods through SamCart. And the hard truth is your website sucks at selling. Study after study after study shows that cart abandonment is rising every single year. Your audience loves your nice, pretty website, but the experiences of learning about your products and buying and checking out are killing your shot and making sales and growing your business. Here's my favorite study from Baymard that shows that long, complicated checkout processes are the biggest culprit turning visitors away, causing excited website visitors to abandon their order and literally stop buying on the spot. So that brings us to tweak #1. You need to flip the script and you need to make it really easy for your visitors to become customers. And why is that? Because when it's easy for people to buy, more people buy. And the best way that I know how to tell you to fix that is by following the lead of what we see from SamCart's top sellers. There's a ton of businesses that are 7, 8, even 9 figures a year in revenue. And tons of them are taking 2 lines of code directly onto the favorite pages on their site and turning that landing page into a cash machine. Those 2 lines of code are the new SamCart slide checkout. And it's built to help you turn your website into a slip and slide, where instead of friction and frustration, your visitors slide right into buying your courses, your coaching, your physical goods, whatever. Adding the brand new slide checkout to your site is crazy, crazy simple. Open any product inside of SamCart, customize the checkout however you want it, and then add these 2 lines of code into the header of your landing page. Then you're just going to take this link and anywhere you want visitors to launch a slide checkout, paste it in. It's fast, it's simple, it looks great on mobile, and best of all, it is right on your own website, on your own landing page. No weird redirect to some other website that looks nothing like yours just to place an order. It keeps customers feeling at ease, and there's no crappy technology to slow them down and ruining their excitement. Which brings me to tweak #2. Once you have your visitors there, you have to optimize that checkout experience. Not all checkouts are created equal. It's not enough to just collect credit card information and take an order. There's a million tools out there that can help you do that. But you can multiply your profits by having the right tools for the job at that critical moment when someone is buying. And really, you can focus on 2 ways to make that happen. The first way is to make it super easy for your customers to buy. On slide checkout, visitors are greeted with the option to check out with 1 click using Apple Pay or Google Pay. They can use a stored credit card or can even choose buy now, pay later options that break up their payments into smaller chunks, which, as a side note, absolutely critical if you are selling something that's over like $300. Just believe me, get buy now, pay later. The numbers are wild. And secondly, make it really easy for your best customers to go and spend more. Give options to upgrade someone's order from monthly billing to annual billing, or 1 course to a bundle of courses. Give them a shot to add recommended products to their order, like when you check out on Amazon. Our database shows that on average, these optimizations are doubling average order value. The exact number there is 99% improvement on average order value, which I don't have to tell you guys. If you can double what you're collecting from each order on average, you are multiplying your profits. And finally, tweak #3 is you have got to ditch long, complicated funnels. If you've been on the internet for more than a couple of years, you understand the word funnel got really popular. And really what it means is if you're putting like 5 pages between your audience finding you and the chance to hit the checkout page and actually buy something, then you are missing out on sales. You are bleeding out people who are not buying. Our top sellers here at SamCart, all of them, we watch them constantly, are shortening the path from discovering you on social media and becoming a customer. Fewer pages, fewer clicks. Social media to maybe like a link tree to a page on their site with a slide out or embedded checkout on that very same page. Shorter funnels means more buyers. So delete your funnel and make more money. Those 3 tweaks are really all about giving your customers what they want. And the upside is enormous. You look like a total pro with a modern checkout that your customers love using. You're going to boost the conversions on your site. You're going to bring in more customers. And when each customer is worth double, that gives you the freedom to pocket more money or reinvest back into ads and grow your business however you want. But at the end of the day, that's what we see SamCart's 7, 8, and 9-figure brands doing to grow and scale their businesses. So in short, make it easy on your customers to buy and make it easy to spend more and watch your sales take off. SamCart's new slide checkout is built to do exactly that. To add SamCart's suite of tools to your website, head over to samcart.com, grab a free trial today, or if you want to talk with our team about getting your entire SamCart account set up for you, you can click the link in the description down below and talk with our done-for-you implementation team. But your website isn't designed to sell stuff. That is what SamCart's for. Put those 2 things together, and you will have a beautiful experience and an awesome checkout that is going to make you more money. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Scott Moran. We'll see you guys in the next video.